Let's start with my eyes first. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette right here, Modern Renaissance. So I'm going to start by using the shade called Red Ochre. I'm going to use that as my transitional shade. I'm not sure what I'm going for at the moment, but I'm just going to try my best to do something very Christmassy, but let's just see how this works really. But I'm not sure of what I'm going for at the moment. Just going to go with the vibe. So I'm starting from my outer V into my inner corner. So I'm blending that upward to my eyebrow just to as a transitional shade for the other shade that I'm going to be applying soon. So using the shade called Red Ochre. So next I'm going to go to the shade called Love Letter. It's a very pinkish reddish shade, very similar to the one that I used earlier, so it's just a little bit poppily pinky kind of shade. I think it has a bit of purple to it, I don't know, but I'm using the shade called Love Letter just in case you are wondering, because I'm using the eyeshadow palette as a mirror as well, so that's the reason why I can't keep showing it every time. So I'm using a shade called Cyrus Umber right now. It's a little bit dark brown, not a little bit dark brown, it's a dark brown shade. I'm trying to use that in case I don't want to use a black eyeshadow, so that's all over the traditional shade that I applied earlier. So I'm going back and forth just to blend the shade seamlessly. I'm going to take the shade called Real Gar. It's an orange matte shade actually. I'm just blending that into the shade that I applied earlier just to soften it a bit. Sigma tapered brush, I'm going to use that to blend everything in seamlessly just to avoid any line of demarcation. So next I'm going to take the Too Faced Shadow Insurance glitter glue right here. I'm going to apply that on my lids. It's like a cut crease actually, but I think I'm going to go for cut crease really, because I actually wasn't sure what I was going for. So let's just go ahead and do a cut crease. The Too Faced Shadow Insurance really dries really quick, so I am going to go ahead and do this eye first, then I'm going to do the other one later. So let's just go ahead and apply a green glitter from eBay. So I think I'm going to do half. That would be easier and better. That looks more Christmassy. It's already looking Christmassy already, so bear in mind guys, this is just for fun, nothing serious, nothing personal, so don't get it twisted. This is just for fun, okay? Let me start with the red first actually, because since I already had that open, so I'm starting from the red right now, and I'm applying it towards the inner corner, but I think half of my lids. This one is closer and that's not. Anyway guys, like I said earlier, this is just for fun, so let's just get on with the Christmas holiday vibes and everything. So I just decided not to line my eyes, so I applied my eyelashes off camera. So I'm going to move on with my face by applying the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer right here. Applying that in a V shape on my under eye area. Strawberry Hill Contour Kit right here. I'm going to take the dark shade in the middle to use that to contour my face. I'm going to be using the Fashion Fair setting powder right here. I'm going to use that to set my face. I'm going to take the side of the sponge. I'm going to use that to sharpen my contour. So now that I look like the real Santa, I'm going to take the Sleek Contour Kit right here. I'm going to use that to contour. I'm going to use that to set my contour actually. So I'm just trying to bring dimension back to my face because it seems everything looks a little bit lighter than normal. So I'm just using that to set my face, my contoured area. Take the blush by Becca, it's in the shade Snapdragon right there. I am going to apply that on my cheeks. I'm going to wipe off all the excess powder on my face. Yeah, I think that's it. Next, to set my face, I'm going to apply the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray right here. I'm going to apply that on my face. I tend to apply my setting spray before applying my highlighter because I just like it that way. While I'm waiting for that to sink into my skin, I'm going to take the Inglot gel liner right here. I'm going to apply that on my waterline. Can you guys stop when you're applying eyeliner on your waterline or gel liner on your waterline? Can you talk? Please let me know if you can talk when you're doing that without messing up your face actually, yeah. Today's look, I'm going to be applying the MAC Maya Kari highlighter right here. This is one of my favorite highlighter. I think it feels like the MAC, what's that one? Gold Deposit. I like it. I'm going to move on with my lips. I'm going to be using the Rimmel Exaggerate Lip Liner in the shade 24. I don't know if it has a name. I think it's Diva or something. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, Red Diva actually. So I'm going to line that with my, I'm going to use that to line my lips. I think I ran out of it, so sorry guys. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC lipstick in the shade Hot Pepper right here. It's a limited edition lipstick. It's a limited edition lipstick, and any red lipstick will do actually. So I'm just going to apply that on my lips right now. So for my lips, I'm going to take it a step further by applying the glitter glue right here by Too Faced, and I'm going to apply the glitter that I applied earlier on my lips. I'm going to apply that on my lips, so there's no point in me talking while doing it because I'm not sure if I'll be able to concentrate while doing it and talking at the same time. So just watch what I do.